Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever noticed how quickly your vibrant hair color can fade, especially when you're rocking a bold purple hue? That post-salon color that you loved one week can feel a little lackluster the next, leaving you frustrated and wishing for something that can keep that color fresh between salon visits. Well, today we're talking about a solution that promises to add those purple tones back while repairing and maintaining the integrity of your hair. The product in question? Celeb Luxury's Color Depositing Conditioner in Purple, a color refresher with Bondfix Bond Rebuilder designed to revive those purple shades and keep your color-treated hair looking as good as the day you walked out of the salon. Before we jump into the details, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our beauty tips, tricks, and honest reviews. And if you find this review helpful, please like and share it so we can continue bringing you unbiased product insights. Celeb Luxury's Color Depositing Conditioner is formulated to refresh the purple tones in bleached or color-treated hair, while also helping to maintain the overall color. It's more than just a conditioner. It's designed to refresh and revive color, giving your hair that salon-fresh look in between touch-ups. The liquid formula contains Bondfix Bond Rebuilder technology, which works to repair and strengthen your hair while depositing the perfect amount of purple pigment. The product's primary goal is to add or maintain vibrant purple hues, making it a great option for those with bleached or blonde hair who want to keep their cool-toned purple shades intact. Now let's talk about how this product performs in real life. I've been using this color depositing conditioner for a few weeks now, and here's what I found. First off, the application process is incredibly easy. You simply apply it to wet hair, leave it on for a few minutes, and then rinse. It's not complicated or time-consuming, which is a big plus for anyone who's looking for a quick color refresher. The texture is smooth, and it feels like a regular conditioner in terms of consistency, but the real magic happens when you rinse it out. My hair felt soft and nourished, which is thanks to the Bondfix Bond Rebuilder working its magic on damaged strands. In terms of performance, the color payoff is impressive. After just one use, I noticed that my purple tones looked much more vibrant, and the overall color seemed to last longer. However, I did need to use it a few times to really see the full effect. The great thing is, you can control how much pigment you want to deposit by adjusting how long you leave the conditioner in. If you want a more intense color refresh, you can leave it on a little longer. If you just want to maintain, a shorter time works. The biggest strength of this product, in my opinion, is how it helps to repair the hair while coloring it. My hair felt noticeably softer, and the usual dryness and damage from frequent bleach treatments were lessened. I really like that Celeb Luxury has managed to combine color maintenance with hair health. This isn't just about freshening up the color, it's about keeping your hair strong and looking its best. On the downside, I will say that the purple tones may not be as intense if you're using it on darker hair that's been lightened or color treated, but not bleached to a very light blonde. In these cases, the conditioner will still help maintain color, but it might not deposit as much pigment as it would on very light, blonde, or bleached hair. Also, I did experience a bit of product buildup after several uses, so I recommend using a clarifying shampoo once in a while to avoid that. In terms of value, Celeb Luxury Color Depositing Conditioner is on the higher end of the price spectrum compared to regular conditioners. However, considering its dual purpose of both maintaining color and repairing the hair, it's a good investment for anyone who's serious about keeping their purple or cool-toned hair vibrant. The Bondfix Bond Rebuilder technology is something that's pretty unique to this product, making it stand out in the market. So, while the price may be a bit steeper, the value is justified for the results it delivers, especially if you're looking to maintain color and nourish your hair at the same time. I compared this conditioner to a few other color depositing products, and while there are cheaper options available, none of them provided the same combination of color maintenance and hair repair. Some other brands leave hair feeling dry and stripped, but this one does a great job of keeping things hydrated while adding pigment. Now let's talk packaging. It comes in a bottle, which makes it easy to dispense, and it's designed in a way that feels a bit luxe. The purple hue of the conditioner is a nice touch and visually matches the product's purpose. I appreciate that it's practical yet stylish enough to sit on the bathroom shelf without feeling out of place. As for longevity, the effects on color can last a few washes. But of course, this will depend on your hair type and how frequently you wash it. If you're like me and tend to shampoo less often, the color will hold up better for longer. The conditioner's nourishing properties also help protect against fading, which is key when it comes to color-treated hair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try this product, the link is in the comments. Regarding customer support, Celeb Luxury has a good reputation for customer service, responding quickly and efficiently to inquiries. If you have any issues, you can expect a smooth process in resolving them. I didn't have any direct interaction with them, but based on the brand's reputation, I feel confident in saying they stand behind their products. Now, for some product alternatives. If you're on a budget but still want something to maintain your purple tones, you might want to look at alternatives like the Fanola No Yellow Shampoo. It's a popular option for color-treated hair and a bit more affordable, though it doesn't offer the same moisturizing benefits as Celeb Luxury's conditioner. Another option could be the L'Oreal Siri Expert Silver Shampoo, which is a great budget-friendly option for maintaining blonde or silver tones, though it's not quite as pigmented. To wrap things up, Celeb Luxury's color depositing conditioner with Bondfix Bond Rebuilder definitely does what it promises. It refreshes your purple color while also maintaining the health of your hair. It's perfect for anyone with bleached or blonde hair who wants to keep their purple shades looking fresh and vibrant. While it's not the most affordable option out there, the added benefits of hair repair and color maintenance make it worth the investment if you're serious about keeping your color-treated hair looking its best. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.